And if you try to use these screens, it will time out within like 30 seconds. You only get like 30 seconds at a time. Plus, you also want to make sure your hands are near this blade. You do not want it to be energized. So I caution you on that. The blender shaft, if you've never removed one, is a left-hand thread. So it's an opposite thread. When you go to remove it, simply twist it off. Do not put tools on that blender shaft. Do not get in there with some vice grips or some channel locks and start trying to crank away. If you need a little assistance trying to get this off, what you want to do to get it to break it, if the shaft has never come off before, it's been on, it's been there a while, take the shuttle out. This isn't a good example of a screwdriver to use, but if you have a longer, thin, flat blade, or even a Phillips head, to get it started, carefully put it between the tulip shape of the bell housing, and you can just kind of crack it a little bit to get it started. Once you do that, it should easily twist off. When you're putting it back on, sometimes it takes a little bit of coordination with the right side panel off to come around this side, kind of reach in and guide it up into place into the motor while you twist it and start threading it on. Don't need to over tighten it. You don't need to really crank on it, but I also just don't put a tool on that blender shaft because you will damage it. Once that blender shaft is off or down, in the ceiling, and these are in the written instructions, there is a bushing up in the ceiling that you can pull off. May take a little work if it's crusted into place, and there's an O-ring on it, and that's why you need to remove the blender shaft to get to it.